Brazil, and I will be your guide for today. And today we are going to discover birds from all over the world. But first, meet my friend Sabrina.
Hello everyone!
Hello. Yeah, ada clap hand ada. Yeah.
Which means I don't just look effort.
Mana burungnya belum keluar?
So Brazil, did you know I've actually traveled from Scotland, Zululand, and even all the way down to Antarctica just to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, Sabrina, that's very impressive. I'm actually curious, how many birds have you seen?
Okay, so last year I saw about 700 different species. This year I would like to break my own record and see 1,000 species or even more.
Wow! Impressive. I have the perfect hashtag for you, Sabrina.
Yes.
Hashtag show off.
No. Hashtag crazy bird lady.
Okay, yes, that will do as well. Alright, jokes aside, how about we start our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible winged friends. First stop, South America. Let's go. So we're taking a drive down to the port, and then a boat ride on the Tambo Mata River. Now here you can see the footprints of a jaguar, or even spot a red howler. Everyone, look around you! Now you're in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet, the Peruvian Amazon. Welcome to Chuncho Macaw Playland, where hundreds of birds gather every day to feast on clay. Do you know that this is one of the largest playlands of its kind in the world?
Yes.
Yes. Let's all welcome Lambo and Ferrari.
Oh, look out.
I'm going to rest of all these when you stand over to the Claymore right over here. Lambo and Ferrari, want to make a next stop? There you go. Now, as you know, macaws have got very sharp and pointy wings. Now, because of that, they tend to eat unripe foods. Now, there are toxins in these foods that are very harmful for these birds. Now, eating clay, it neutralizes the toxins. Clay also has minerals such as sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right, Basil?
That's right, Sabrina. Now it looks like Lambo and Ferrari have enjoyed their salty feast. Let's give them a big hand, everyone.
Wow. Clap your hand, clap your hand.
I
Yeah.
want to see more birds. Okay, so let's not stop and let's fly together to Southeast
Are you happy?
Asia.
Let's go!
Woo.
Welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise right here in Singapore. Now this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. So, Sabrina, is that enough birds for you?
That one. One species, 1,000 remember.
Alright, crazy bird lady.
So nice,
I
are you
think
happy?
we need some special friends of the park, but before that I will need everyone to please remain seated. Do not block the pathway of the birds, alright? Alright, everyone, you can just please remain seated. Get settled down. Good job. Alright, everyone, let's welcome Higgins. Now Higgins here is a green-winged macaw. Now green-winged macaws are one of the largest species in the macaw family. And Higgins here is about 10 years old.
And right here with me, this is Katie, our silver-crested cockatoo. Now cockatoos like Katie can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Now,
See?
how do these birds
Very
get
nice,
these
yes.
little feathers on their head? That is
Are you like-
crest. Some
Yes,
birds
your
live
white
in
color,
some
you want white color?
silver-crested
Or red
cockatoos.
color?
Now parents,
Ooh,
they
nice.
take for life and make devoted
You want to
parents. They'll take
bright
advantage of
color?
abandoned tree cavities just like this one right over here to build their nest.
So speaking about nests, the materials they use are items such as dried leaves, twigs, and even tree barks. Now the tree cavity happens to be very small. They use a strong and powerful beaks to enlarge them. Now what are we waiting for? Let's see these birds in action. Katie, you wanna go first?
Come on, Katie. Right over here. Good
Whoa.
job. Higgins, your turn. Perfect flight. So if you want to see what it looks like from the inside, take a look at the screen. Is that Higgins right up there? There we go. Hi Higgins. Hey, that's Katie. Katie, do you see yourself?
It's okay, it's okay.
Katie, what a gigantic Katie.
Where's your
It's
seat,
okay,
Katie?
Ade, no problem.
The last one? There we go. And then can you give it a
Ade,
Katie, all the
what
way
are you
back to
doing?
your
Show me
prayer.
how to do.
Good
Let me see
job.
what.
Can you give it up for Katie, Higgins, as well as the one.
Ade, let me see what this is. Ooh.
Hey, did you hear that?
Ay, suara.
Here we got a rooster right here at the top.
Suaranya macam itu ya. Oh, oh, oh.
Brazil! Look, we found the rooster right there.
Sabrina, that's not the rooster that you're looking for.
Why?
Because that's the rooster.
Brazil, you must be joking. I'm a bird, so I can clearly tell you that this is an Amazon parrot, not a rooster.
Okay, you don't believe me?
Nope.
You just stand there, you listen to this, alright?
Okay.
And then you want to turn around? Alright, can you do the rooster?
What is it?
You believe me now, Sylvia?
That's what he meant, rooster.
Exactly. Everyone, meet Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. Now, Quincy, before we begin at the animal sound,
Yes,
there's
you.
something to say to everyone. Come on, Quincy. Let's say it again, alright? How about to greet everyone? Did you guys hear what Quincy said?
Paradise.
Quincy said, welcome to Parrot Paradise.
Bird
Let's say that one more time,
paradise.
shall we? Quincy, welcome them.
Wow.
So
cute.
Alright, so Quincy, you did the sound of
Welcome
the
to
rooster.
Bird
Can you do
Paradise.
another animal sound? What about the sound of the cat? Very cute cat. Okay, how about a more high-tech sound this time? Let's go for the telephone. Let's try it again. Telephone. That's the wrong whistle, Quincy. Alright, let's try that one more time, right? Telephone. Good job, Quincy. Can you give it up for Quincy, everyone?
Whoa. Yeah, clap your hand, clap your hand. Are you happy?
If
Yes.
they have to make human sounds to simply copy the sounds they hear around them.
That's right, so for Quincy and Amigo's case, their families are the Mandai style.
Hello, Mandasta. Okay, so we've got a named Amazon parrot. Let's see what he has for us today, okay?
Ade, let me see your hand. What is this? Oh, yeah, nice. See, look there.
Nice and sweet. Hello. Now you already know the name, but he wants to introduce himself first, okay? So tell them your name. Amigo! You hear that? One more time. What's the name? Amigo! There you go. Amigo. It is. Now, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? Good. Amigo is actually asking, how are you? So how are all of you feeling today? Good? Very
Good.
nice to hear. Now, Amigo here is very talented because he loves to sing. But any chance that any one of you celebrating your birthdays today, put up your hands to the birthdays. Birthdays in the crowd, let me see. You want birthdays? No? Okay. What about, oh, okay, I see a young lady so far. One. Anyone else? Okay, two. Okay, now I see all the hands up. Very shy, huh? Okay. Now for those